In this segment, let us see about improving verbal communication skills for engineers. In the modern engineering environment, technical expertise alone is no longer sufficient for professional success. Engineers are expected not only to design, analyze, and solve problems, but also to communicate their ideas clearly and effectively to diverse audience. Verbal communication plays a critical role in meetings, technical discussions, presentations, client interactions, and leadership responsibilities. This presentation focuses on improving verbal communication skills for engineers, highlighting structured, practical, and professional approaches that can be applied in academic and workplace settings. Verbal communications refers to the ability to convey information, ideas, and opinions clearly through spoken language. For engineers, this includes explaining technical concepts and processes, participating effectively in team discussions, presenting project outcomes and design decisions, communicating with non technical stakeholders, responding confidently in interviews and reviews. Effective verbal communication ensures that technical knowledge is understood, valued, and correctly implemented. Let us see the importance of verbal communication for engineers. Verbal communication directly influences professional credibility and career progression. Engineers with strong communication skills are better able to collaborate across multiple disciplinary teams, avoid misunderstanding and technical errors, build trust with clients and management, demonstrate leadership and decision making ability, represent technical ideas in strategic discussions. Clear verbal expression transforms technical competence into professional impact. Next, let us see the developing the clarity and structure in speech. One of the most important aspects of effective verbal communication is clarity. Engineers should organize their spoken messages logically by introducing the topic and objectives clearly, presenting information in a structured sequence, using simple and precise language, concluding with a clear summary or recommendation. Avoiding unnecessary jargon and overly complex explanations improves comprehension, especially when addressing non-technical audience. Enhancing confidence and professional tone. Confidence in verbal communication is reflected in tone, pace, and delivery. Engineers can improve confidence by speaking at a controlled and steady pace, maintaining a professional and neutral tone, using pauses to emphasize key points, avoiding fillers such as So, confidence is developed through consistent practice and preparation rather than language perfection. Adapting communication to the audience. Effective engineers adapt their communication style based on the audience. This involves simplifying explanations for non technical stakeholders, using technical terminology appropriately with expert teams, focusing on outcomes and impact for managerial audience. Audience awareness ensures the message is relevant, understandable, and actionable. Next, let us see improving listening skills for better verbal communication. Verbal communication is a two-way process. Strong listening skills enable engineers to understand requirements accurately, respond thoughtfully and relevantly, reduce communication gaps and conflicts. Active listening involves maintaining attention, avoiding interruptions, and seeking clarification when necessary. Next, let us see practice based strategies for improving verbal communication skills. Few are mentioned below. First is you need to explain some technical topic aloud on a regular basis to a non technical person and then participate actively in meetings and discussions. Make a presentation and answer the questions after you giving the presentations, and also record yourself and you can hear yourself back. Next is taking feedback from your peers and mentors. Consistent practice leads to measurable improvement in clarity and confidence. Next, let us see overcoming the common barriers. Common challenges such as fear of mistakes, limited vocabulary, or lack of confidence should be addressed systematically. Engineers should focus on progress rather than perfection, clear communication rather than complex knowledge, continuous improvement rather than instant fluency. Communication skills develop gradually with sustained effort. Improving verbal communication is a professional necessity for engineers in today's competitive and collaborative work environment. Clear, confident, and structured verbal communication enhances technical effectiveness, strengthens professional relationships, and supports leadership development. By applying disciplined practice, audience awareness, and structured speaking techniques, engineers can significantly improve their verbal communication skills and accelerate their growth. Thank you.